Hello world, Shelly here, and today I've got another episode of Makeup and Chill where I show you how I got this here eye look. This is from the Too Faced Palm Springs Dream palette. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. You guys requested it. I'm actually going to attempt one of the looks in the little pamphlet that comes with it. I often really love one of the looks, at least, that comes in these pamphlets with Too Faced products. So I am going to attempt, where did it go? This one. So we're going to see if I can pull this one off. What do you think? Let's find out. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
Some